Hey everyone, my name is Johannes and I'm the coach of the Larissa team. Today we're going to present you our Smart Services platform and give you a short overview about what it can do for you. I'd like to hand over for now, who will start to introduce you to our presentation.
Hello everyone. You know what? I love Larissa and I'm not the only one. That are also our customers, Mr. Johann Niklas and Professor Dr. Monika Sturm, our coach Johannes, our project leader Andreas, as well as our team of 6 amazing developers, Sabrina, Paul, Jessica, Lucas, Shumail, and me now. So what problem are we actually trying to solve with Larissa? Nowadays, we are surrounded by a bunch of different services and apps which we use in different contexts. For example, when we are at home, we want to be able to control our smart home devices. When we commute to work, we want to be able to get the latest traffic information. And when we are at work, we want to get information about the machines and their schedule. Often, we have to solve a single problem, but there are so many different apps and services to choose from. Furthermore, these apps and services often don't provide the right information at the right time. That is why we developed Larissa. The Larissa platform is context-aware, it's adapting to its environment and solves these problems. It can enrich the context from multiple sources, such as my current location, the current time, or the events in my calendar. Remember Paul? He not only loves Larissa, but he also loves his girlfriend Sabrina. And today is their anniversary. Will Paul forget the anniversary yet another time? Let's see. Paul, wake up.
Good morning, Sabrina.
Good morning.
I really have to go to work, so I'm going to prepare myself for that. Start Larissa. Start Larissa.
Welcome to Larissa. Do you want your services or the news?
News.
Today in the news, Tim Cook resigned as CEO of Apple and Bernd Brugge will be his successor. Larissa is App of the Year 2017. The weather in Garching. It's rainy with just 17 degrees. For more news, use the Larissa app. And Paul, don't forget your anniversary with Sabrina.
Oh my God, I totally forgot about it. Shit. What am I going to do? So, maybe Larissa can help me with that. I hope so. Let's see. Oh, there's a restaurant service. That's actually, I think this is the restaurant where we first met. So let's check some photos. Yeah, that's the restaurant where we first met. Now, there's also a reservation option, cool. So let's choose the inside area for 2 persons at 7 p.m. Cool, let's make a reservation. So I really have to go to work now. Sabrina, I really have to go to work now, but let's meet at 7 p.m. at Aloha Poke. You know it, right?
Okay, sure. See you there.
Bye. Sorry, I'm late. I forgot the anniversary of my girlfriend and me.
Yeah. Tell me about that later, because now I'm trying to configure this machine. I need to get some data, and I just don't know how to do it.
You know you can use Larissa for that as well, right?
No, show me.
You have here a new service with the temperature service. And
Is it real time?
yeah, it's real-time information. So it seems a bit low, right?
Yes, can you
So
fix
maybe let's change something here.
Okay. It is changing?
Yeah. So I think I changed something, but I think I messed up. I don't know.
It's fine. No, that temperature is right. Just a little bit. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
okay.
fine. It's fine.
And actually, what about our rubber duck production?
Yeah, so it's not going well either because I set it up the machine like this, so I'll show you. I'll start the production. We want a rubber duck, but instead, I got a rubber frog.
Oh, no, that's not what we wanted, actually.
Yeah, can you help me?
Yeah.
I want a giant rubber duck.
There's another service as well for the rubber duck production.
Okay.
So you see, you selected the green rubber frog.
Okay.
And you want a rubber duck, actually,
Yes.
right? So let's make it big, actually,
Bigger, yeah.
and start the production.
Okay.
So let's see what the machine now produces.
Oh, it seems like it is ready. What?
That's
It
a rubber
is.
duck. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice. So now that we are pretty much done, tell me more about the anniversary with Sabrina.
Yeah, I booked a table at a restaurant.
Nice. And did you get a present as well?
Oh no, I forgot about that.
Man.
But I see in Larissa there's a last-minute gift service, you know?
Okay.
Probably I hope it's going to arrive. So there are flowers, as well as some chocolate.
Flowers is better.
So yeah, maybe choose the flowers and set the delivery day. Okay, place the order. I hope it's going to be in time.
I hope also, and I wish you good luck tonight.
Thank you very
Have a nice
much.
dinner and let me know what
Yeah,
happened.
thank you.
See you there.
Good working day.
Amazon, are you Paul? No. Oh, sorry. Not
So,
Amazon, are you Paul?
yeah, I'm Paul.
Yeah, there's a package for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem.
You really saved my day tonight.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Now I'm really ready for this evening.
Okay, so while Paul is getting ready for the dinner, I would like to present you the design and the beauty of Larissa. So our Larissa platform conforms to the fog computing paradigm. First of all, because of the unique service description language, the user can use different devices to interact with our platform. That can be a smartphone, as you saw in the industry scenario, a voice control system, as you see in the introductory scene, or virtual reality glasses. Then we have our fog nodes, or as we call them, Larissa nodes. A Larissa node can be any computational device, such as laptop, Raspberry Pi, or even a router. On a Larissa node, we can deploy many services. An important remark here is that the Larissa node is actually geographically close to these services that are deployed on it. That provides both fast interaction with the services and location awareness. On top, we have the cloud coordinator. The cloud coordinator is responsible for the orchestration and deployment of different nodes, as well as user management. The cloud coordinator also enables the user to access his favorite services even though he's not close to them. For example, that is how Paul was actually able to access the restaurant service even though he was at home. While designing the Larissa platform, we had two important goals in mind. First of all, our architecture is extensible. That means that we are easily able to add a new node to the platform or remove an existing one. Second, our architecture is open. That means that third-party developers can easily integrate their services into our platform. To develop a service, a third-party developer should use our service description language, develop the service, and pack it as a Docker container. Then, this Docker container can be deployed at one of our Larissa nodes. Once the service is deployed, the users connected to that Larissa node can use this service. You've been maybe wondering what the service description language actually looks like, and we will now show you a snippet of it. For example, here we have a stepper feature. The user device gets this stepper feature and tries to build an interface element which corresponds to this stepper feature according to the user device. In our case, we have an iPhone, so the iPhone tries to transform this stepper feature into a native iOS stepper. Now that it's getting late, let's see what happens at the dinner of Paul and Sabrina.
You must be Paul. Yeah. Please have a seat.
Could you please play some romantic music for us?
Yeah, sure, you've got it.
Thank you.
Since Paul and Sabrina want some romantic music, I would again use Larissa. This is our restaurant service, and we have this Bose sound system service, and here I will just directly use the music. Thank you.
Wow, what a perfect evening. Like, everything is so perfect. I was so sure that you're gonna forget about it again, But now here we are, and we have this restaurant and the flowers, everything is beautiful. Thank you.
I also think it's a really nice evening, and thanks to Larissa, everything worked out.
Wait, who's Larissa?
It's my iOS app, you know?
Are you serious?
It's
Your
on my
iOS
phone, I
app
can
is
show
named
you, it's a
Larissa?
platform,
Are
you know?
kidding?
No.
Are you cheating on me?
No, I'm just using an
Okay.
app, you
Take
know?
this goddamn
No,
stuff.
why?
I take
No.
this and go. It's
No,
so-
why? Please
No.
don't leave me. No, I don't need them anymore. Please take them. Well, now that I don't have a girlfriend anymore, so Larissa is still with me, you know? It's an extensible context-aware platform, which is also user-friendly, and it just gives me the right service at the right location at the right time. So, thank you very much. At first, thank you very much to our customer as well, and are there any questions?
But first of all, thank you to the team, thank you to the big show, thank you for this effort, for this machine park. I was really surprised about all the scenarios you show us and the many ideas you bring in this. Yes, formally very simple task. I get you. Yes, I have one question. I think the biggest challenge is more or less to find the right context. You mentioned it, and one of the goals was to keep this context private. That means we need the private device to calculate it. And have you some more ideas to get a better context awareness, a better, yes, a more precise context?
Yeah, so we're already getting data from the calendar and beacons and the location and time of the current user, as well as its roles in, for example, a company. But we could improve the processing of these data, for example, with CoML by Apple, which was newly introduced.
Oh, this machine learning idea is very good.
Thank you very much.
I'm looking forward. Thank you.